Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel and happy Friday, everybody. You guys know what that means. We've got some 5 off $25 scenarios to go over for this Saturday, February the 1st at Dollar General. But first, before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video and it is absolutely free. And if you like these videos and you want to see more, please let me know by hitting that thumbs up button and leaving a comment down in the comment section below. Alright guys, let's go ahead and get into it. Up first, if you missed it, deal days are coming back. That's going to start this Sunday, so make sure that you go and check out that video. I have all of the details, plus we talk about early activation. And before we get into the scenarios, let's go ahead and take a look at a few new deals that popped up on our accounts over the last couple of days. We do have our General Mills cereals on sale this week, 4 for $8. Now we have a 1-off-2 digital coupon plus a 1-off-2 cashback offer. I have not tested this out yet. I will test this out today and leave you some notes in the pinned comment down below, but since we are picking up 4 boxes, both should apply, making our final price $6 for all 4. Now, we also received a 75-cent DG cashback offer on our Planters peanuts. These start out at $2.50 with the trail mix, so that's going to make your final price $1.75 with a limit of 5. Up next, we have a 50-cent DG cashback offer on our Hormel pepperonis. These start out at $2.50, so that's going to make your final price $2 with a limit of 5. This one impressed me, $2.50 back on the Hormel snack trays. These are priced at $8.95, so that's going to make your final price $6.45. We also have $1 back on our 21-count Purex packs. These are priced at $4, so that's going to make your final price $3. We also received a $1 cashback offer on our U by Kotex liners. These start out at $4.50, so that's going to make your final price $3.50 with a limit of 5. Next, we have 75 cents back on our Airheads when you purchase 2, so that's going to make your final price $1.25 for 2. We also received a $1 cashback offer on our 120-count Snuggle dryer sheets. These are on sale this week for $3.75, so that's going to make your final price $2.75. Quick reminder, we still have this $1.50 cashback offer on our Glade air sprays. These are priced at $2.25 this week, so that's going to make your final price 75 cents with a limit of 5. Here's another good way that you can get rid of that 2-off-1 Finish coupon by picking up the 18-count Finish dishwasher tablets at $5. That's going to leave you paying $3. We also have a $1 cashback offer on our Chloraseptic cough drops. These are priced at $3.25, so that's going to make your final price $2.25. And last but certainly not least, we have $1.50 back on our OxyClean stain removers. These are priced at $3.50, so that's going to make your final price $2. And I also want to go ahead and let you know that over on the second YouTube channel called Too Crazy with Craz-E Coupons, I did upload a video going over our Bounty, Angel Soft, and P&G spin deals. So if you're interested in that, I will leave it linked for you in the pinned comment down below. All right, now let's go ahead and get into these scenarios because OMG, we have so many crazy deals this week at DG. I could literally sit here all day and come up with different 5 off 25s. But here's what I've come up with so far. So what you want to do on this one is pick up 4 of the Gain Flings priced at $4.50 each, 1 of the Gain Dish Soaps priced at $2, 1 of the Febreze Air Effects at $3.25, 1 of the Febreze Warmers priced at $3.30. That's going to put your subtotal at $26.55. Here's your list of coupons, and after everything's been applied, you're going to pay $9.20 for 7 items, making those $1.31 each. For our second scenario, we're picking up 1 of the 21-count Purex packs at $4, 1 of the Snuggle products priced at $3.75, 2 of the Ajax or Palmolive dish soaps priced at $3.50 each, 2 of the Finish Jet Dry Rinse Aids priced at $4.95, 1 of the Febreze Warmers priced at $3.30, 1 of the Airwick Warmers priced at $4. We're going to throw in 1 of the Kinder Bueno bars priced at $1.40 and 1 of the Crest Pro Health priced at $1. That's going to put your subtotal at $34.35. Here's your list of coupons, and after everything's been applied, you're going to pay $10.90 for 10 items, but then you're getting back $1 in DG cash on the Purex, and that's going to make your final price $9.90 for 10 items, or just 82 cents each. For scenario number 3, we're picking up 2 of the Finish 28-count dishwasher tablets at $12 and 1 of the Crest Pro Health priced at $1. That's going to put your subtotal at $25 right on the dot. Here's your list of coupons, and after everything's been applied, you're going to pay $7 for all 3 items, making those just $2.33 each. For scenario number 4, we're picking up 4 of the General Mills cereals on sale, 4 for $8, 1 of the Pepsi or Mountain Dew 1.25 liters at $1.75, 1 of the Doritos Minis priced at $2.85, 1 of the Smucker's Jelly priced at $2.95, 1 of the Jif Peanut Butters priced at $2.85, 1 of the Kinder Bueno bars priced at $1.40, 2 of the Glade Air Fresheners priced at $2.25 each, and 1 of the Crest Pro Health priced at $1. That's going to put your subtotal at $25.30. Here's your list of coupons, and after everything's been applied, you're going to pay $11.90 for 12 items. But then you're getting back $1 in DG cash on the General Mills cereals, if that works, $3 in DG cash on the Glade air sprays, and 60 cents back on Fetch for the General Mills cereals. That's going to make your final price $7.30 for 12 items, or just 60 cents each. For scenario number 5, we're picking up 5 of the 2 liters that are on sale 5 for $5. You need to make sure that at least 3 of those are the Starry 2 liters. Then we're going to throw in one of the Doritos, Cheetos, or Funyuns Minis priced at $2.85, 3 of the Kellogg's cereals that are on sale 3 for $7. Make sure that you pick up the ones with the 75-cent DG cashback offer. Then we're going to throw in one of the Gain dish soaps priced at $2, one of the Finish dishwasher tablets, 18 count, priced at $5, and one of the Airwick warmers priced at $4. That's going to put your subtotal at $25.85. Here's your list of coupons, and after everything's been applied, you're going to pay $11.10 for 12 items. But then you're getting back 75 cents on each of the Kellogg's cereals. Plus, we're going to submit our receipt to Fetch Rewards because right now on Fetch, we have this awesome bonus on the Starry products for when you spend $3, you're basically getting back $3. And that's going to make your final price $5.85 for 12 items, or just 48 cents each. All right, now for our 6th and final scenario, this is going to be a super, super cheap deal. Please keep in mind that glitches can end at any time, so it is very important that you scan each and every item when you are in the store to make sure the digital coupons do attach. And also you want to scan each item to price check because prices can vary from store to store. So for scenario number 6, we are picking up 5 of the Glade air fresheners priced at $2.25 each, one of the Febreze air effects priced at $3.25, one of the Febreze warmers priced at $3.30, one of the Airwick warmers priced at $4, one of the Kinder Bueno bars priced at $1.40, one of the Crest Pro Health priced at $1, 5 of the 2 liters that are on sale 5 for $5. Make 3 of those Starry 2 liters. Then we're going to throw in one of the Doritos, Cheetos, or Funyuns Minis priced at $2.85. That's going to put your subtotal at $28.80. Here's your list of coupons, and after everything's been applied, you're going to pay $12.05 out of pocket, but then you're getting back $7.50 in DG cash on the Glade air fresheners, plus the $3 back on Fetch Rewards for picking up those Starry 2 liters, and that's going to make your final price $1.55 for 16 items, making each one just 9 cents each. Now, a couple of last-minute notes. Number 1, I will be leaving additional notes for you in the pinned comment down below pertaining to old versus new registers. Number 2, I'm always here to help you guys out. So if you ever have questions, leave it for me down in the comment section below. Or if you want to talk behind the scenes, if you have something really specific that you need help with, just send me an email. My email is crazycoupons1@gmail.com. And number 3, if you get to the store on Saturday and your deals do not work out as planned, that's okay. Just simply ask the cashier to void the transaction, take a second, regroup, make sure that you have all of your coupons clipped, make sure that everything's attaching, and make sure that you're typing in the right phone number. Trust me, I've made all of these same mistakes myself, so take a second, regroup, try again. If it still doesn't work, go ahead and void it and forget about it. Keep your money. There's always more deals right around the corner. All right, guys, that's going to be it for me for now, but you know the drill. Stick around and stay tuned because I'll have more crazy deals coming at you all very, very soon.